Hey guys, so I'm going to be showing you how to create a manual purchase order now. So under receiving, when you go to purchase orders, right here with create purchase order, we can make our own. So if you get something from Southern Beverage or even something else that just from the gas station, right? You just want to add it. This is how you can do that. So you can type in the R number or really anything. So I'm just going to do test for this. Vendor, I'll do miscellaneous, and then you can even do the date you submitted it and then the date that it was actually shipped. And then right down here you can add any item in your inventory. So say you got some Coke from the gas station, bottle of Coke, whatever it may be, Tito's, doesn't matter, anything in your inventory, you can add it here. And then you can even create new items. So if you get Dr. Pepper or something, you can add it here, add your SKU, barcode, everything right here, and then you can create the item. So let me just do this. Right here, create that item, let that load. Okay, and then right over here you can even adjust the markups, prices, everything like it would be in a normal one. Okay, so once you actually stage that order, it's going to go into here. So it's just going to look like your normal purchase order, and it's just right here. So that way you can go in, check all your prices. Right, this needs to be $64.49, and then you can save it and receive it just like normal. I think this is going to help people a lot, just to be able to add really anything they need to.